So it's December 26th now, and honestly, the game's not done. I didn't really do any work the week before Christmas. I guess I was just sort of relaxing and enjoying myself and playing video games and all that unreasonable stuff. So now that Christmas is over, what are the goals for Legacy of Xmas? Well, I'm still unclear as far as what I want to do with this game. I've announced it as a game, so I'd like to finish it to some extent, and maybe continue it for the next year as like episode 2 and whatnot. But as far as for 2013, working on this isn't a priority. I have school, I have new jobs, I have other personal projects to work on as far as websites and programming. So it's not a priority, and it won't be something that I'll be doing regularly. I want to focus more on tutorials for 2013. But if I do feel like working on a game, it'll either be Legacy of Xmas, the framework, or something else using the framework. So for now, what I've done is I've split the game from the framework, and so the framework's in its own Java project, and that's on GitHub. The game itself is not, and I don't have it released anywhere yet because there's not really anything to play. So, I mean, I guess I could throw it out there, but then you're just walking around, you know. What got done was mainly just map loading, transitioning, basic battle system, collision detection, and that's about it. I have my map converter. I'd like to mess with tiled some and add my custom format as a option in there, or the ability to create your own custom map type. So source code's on GitHub. The game is still private itself. Future plans. On the GitHub, I have a wiki with kind of a to-do list, so things I will try to add whenever I feel like working on it. There'll be scripting, enemy placement, experience and level up, music and sound effects, items and currency, ability to use different dimensioned assets, so it's not just strict 20 by 20 tiles for everything. Polished up fighting mechanics, enemy behavior and types, stuff like that. And more documentation. So that's out there. I don't know if it'll be much use. Just, I mean, I guess people tend to be more curious about it, so the code's out there. And otherwise, a few people mentioned stuff that they would like to see as far as features. If you're interested in the game or any other games that are in the same style, I was trying to think of something less Christmassy that I could make, and I guess the sort of theme that appealed to me most was kind of the space exploration / like bounty hunters and, you know, like the Federation and all that stuff. So right now, I guess I'm sort of on a space kick. So I'm not sure if that's what my next action RPG. But again, it's not a priority. If I feel like working on a game, I'll probably be working specifically on this or any sort of group projects. But for now, that's all I really have. I don't have anything else to show off. It hasn't changed much from the last video, so let me know if you'd like to see anything, but otherwise, that's about it for now.